Alrighty, got that all set up. Sweet. Still waiting. Nothing going on. It's kind of boring when we're just sitting, taking no trades yet. I understand. But said our hands get paid. Market's been open for 17 minutes. We have all these levels. Looks like it's actually reacting off this bottom here. This bottom does look like it has valid area, as there's a lot of wicks up in it. Let me see this area. Yeah, area of interest. The wicks are hitting it, as well as this area, kind of where price is sitting at. But it's not very far range. 80 ticks, 80 ticks. I would like to see it pull back into this area. If we can come into here. Whoops. And then continuation up. If it wants to go, or at least to these highs, 137 ticks. If we can catch something like that, that'd be quite dandy. So if it comes into here, I'm most likely going to take a trade. 65 tick stop, which is the level of 49, which is right about where it wicks down on the 1 minute here. Yeah, right in here. We might have just missed that. It's here on this 1 minute order block. It's going to go. Price is going to go. Now it's already 70 ticks. Damn. But I hope when I've explained this the whole time that a lot of this stuff makes sense on what the price is doing, and that you guys are picking it up. I know we haven't taken a quick trade quite yet, but that would have been quite a trade. That would have been quite a trade. It's reacting off of these areas. This area, the big level up here. Let's see if we can go further back. Area of interest for sure. Look, when areas are just bouncing, looks like it's coming down hard. Look at that. Dump. I do want to see. All right. If price comes into this area, I'm still highly interested in these longs. We just have this this little 1 minute order block here, this 1 minute candle, and I didn't want to take it in here because that makes my stop too close to this area of interest. Even though that makes this a little scalp, 80 ticks to the top, 120. It's not bad, just not what I prefer. I have parameters for a reason. I do have parameters for a reason. Sometimes it makes me miss out on stuff. Sometimes it makes me get stopped out. We're still waiting. Look how nasty this is. 5 minutes. This is the 5 minute candles. Almost 600 ticks from the top to market open. Yeah, 600 and still going. And still going. 2.5 minutes till this 5 minute closes. If the 5 minute closed up here, I'd be more intrigued to take longs. And if we and if we close below, I wouldn't mind a retest down to these wicks. It would be looking something like this. gonna wait for this candle close though. We have 2 minutes until I decide to take this trade or not. I do like the trade, but market's just been pumping too hard to go against the grain. I'm not one to trade against or catch a reversal, but the 5-minute close is pretty important, very important. We had these wicks coming to this area, but it's okay. See, price is going. Still a minute 30. Shows you over here on the right hand side, a minute 30 till this candle closes. ES just going. ES is about to be at a level. Let's see what happens when we draw something out here. Hey dog, I heard you didn't even got any accounts. Alright. That's what happens when you're big as fuck. That's what happens when you're 220 pounds of mass. You're just breathing hard as fuck. Alright. I'm very interested in the shorts. There's about to be a candle close out here in the next 50-ish seconds. And I'm gonna let you guys know actually right now. I think I'm gonna hop in the shorts if we start to head. I'm in the shorts.
Order rejected.
Shorts. Oh no, order rejected.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm in the shorts. I'm in shorts here. I'm in the shorts, and I'm in 86. 86.25. I'm in the shorts. 65 tick stop. My stop is at 702.75. 702.75. All right, let's see here. Perfect. I want to ride down into this area. But let's keep it 702. 702.75. Hold on 1 second. 86. Whoops. At least first TP is going to be about the 58 level. 58. 58. Right there at 58.50 is my first level. I want to take out this liquidity, these wicks down here. That's what I want to do. I'm aiming for this, and then my last target. Oh, hold on, let me do this real quick. So first TP, we came down a bit. How much was that? 55 ticks, or like halfway there. First TP in this area, and then I want to ride down into this area, 150 ticks total for this with the rest of it, which is going to be about the 48 level. Price is coming back up. We had a dump, but we keep waiting. We keep waiting. I want to see it ride into this area. I like that the 2-minute entries from here. And if we have a nice rejection off of this, I might want to go back up. Once price hits in this area, I might catch a little banger up into this area, right about here. But let's one trade at a time. But I would like to see this wick taken out at least in this area. In the shorts, we're gonna. Looks like he wants to keep going. And then the 48 level. Actually, it'll be 51. 51 will be my second TP. Here we go. Here we go. We're approaching first TP. Let's get that dump. Let's get that dump. Let's go. Let's be patient here, gentlemen. Let's be patient here. I kind of wish this thing was just ripping down right now, but I wanted to see a harder momentum. When it dumps, it usually dumps on something like this. But we just keep waiting. Just keep waiting. Just keep swimming. Yeah, we're in this area. I'm sure we have. I want to take all this off real quick. No, we don't have any small order blocks. I guess we kind of have this small order block, which you can get a little bit of rejection in this area, which we kind of are. But I want to see this continue to take out this liquidity here, all this right here. Usually you get a nice sweep. Not everything's perfect, but that's what I'd like to see. I want to see sweep here and sweep this wick and then this wick. I changed my TP from being down here to here, just because I know that this is a better target than this. We have this line here from the past, but this is the most recent area of rejection because that's rejecting, rejecting, rejecting. Not really a fan of the momentum here. Let's see what it looks like on the HK. So now we're getting green candles here. That's a switch of the momentum, which I don't like. But oh, look at that, guys. We're about to hit first TP.
Order
First TP.
filled.
First TP. I just hit mine. I just hit my first TP. Take your first TP, guys. Take your first TP. We're heading down to this level, the 51. Let's hold down to 51. And oh, almost there, almost there. It's gonna keep going. Trust. It's gonna dump nasty, guys. It's gonna dump nasty. Let's go. One more. One more. One more. One more. Hey, I'm now moving my stop to break even. Move your stop to break even. Move your stop to break even. Mine is right here above this. My stop is right here above
Order
this line.
filled.
Oh, I'm out. I'm out. I got filled there, guys. I am out. Look at that. We waited 142 ticks. Make sure you're out of your position, guys. Did you guys catch that? Put them up. Put them up. Pals in the chat at least. Come on, guys. Profits over wages. That's what I'm talking at. I want to see some pals. Pals in the chat. There we go. Fucking there we go, guys. I want to see you guys. And look, we're getting this, and I want you guys to pay attention. No more trades. I was thinking about taking this bounce here, but it's starting to go. I said it was going to dump when I saw this momentum, this candle. I figured it was, but I thought it was going to respect this area. But it's just going to go. I guarantee this is going to dump nasty. Stay out of it. By the way, stay out of it. So did I, Roche. I went 10 cons too. This is going to be nasty. This whole play right now because of this extreme liquidity move. Ooh, who jumped in now? Ooh. But let me pull this chat here. Bam. Hell yeah, Tex. Let's go. Let's go. So Roche, you made some money there. Hey Jose, how'd you do? Jose, how'd you do? I hope he's not asleep. Oh, there he is. Banger. Look at this, guys. We're just dumping. Up 5K on the day. Look at that. I'm up about 600 per account. Yeah, Jose, I told you, dog. I'm big dog out here. Okay. But hey, guys, you'll see this. So look, we're getting another break, and we're came down here. We might get the retest here, and we might get continuation down, unless this is a liquidity sweep, and we're just going to go nasty pump to the top. I am not taking any more trades. I am not taking any more trades here. I'm just giving you guys an idea. I want you to pay attention to what I'm actually saying. I'm not taking any more trades, and I do not want you to take any more trades. If you're a green, be done. This is what I mean. See, do you see how this wick came up? This wick. This price came down here. So let me see. Price came down here. Candle opened here, and it came up to here, and then we continue down. That's a break of structure, retest the level, and we dump down. That's exactly what just happened. Hey Roche, you better who's this right there? You better make sure your boy got those P's. Did he take that trade? Do you know, Roche, if your boy did? Do you know if your homie took that trade? All right, do it, because I know he's skeptical, but um, hey, listen, dog. Hey, scared money never made money, bro. Straight up, scared money never made money. That's why I took risks that no one else would. Now I'm where others can't be. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But that's okay. I'm sure he's skeptical. I'm a very skeptical person too. But other than that, we'll stop focus on people. Look at our levels, guys. Look at these levels. This is a very good indicator that we get a wick here. The next candle comes down. We push up. Price comes down, and we respect these levels. No, hey Roche, that's not a good. I'm it's not when it's going well, it's when it goes wrong. Because when you get the 2 to 3 back-to-back losses and you're down 900 on the day, you're gonna feel like garbage. That mental effect that it has is not okay. It's actually a horrible feeling. Um, with with the evals, I say fuck it, Raiders, go wild when you're on your evaluation. Who gives a fuck? They're cheap. When you're actually funded, I want you using 3 to 6 cons max. If you have a ton of accounts, if you have 5 plus, use 3. If you're just using 1 or 2, yeah, use 5 or 6 cons. That's enough to get that blood going, and it's enough to make money. Even with 3 cons, you can make. There you go, as you should. That's exactly how you do it. See, once you pass that one, and that's funded, you get another account, and you have 2 counts, and you trade them both with 6 MNQs. That's all you need to do. Because if you made an extra $200 to $400 a week, let's say an average of 300, wouldn't you be happy about that? And that's all you wanted. That's 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. That's $1,500 a week. That's 6,000 a month off of one count. All you need to do is trade 6 MNQs. That's all that is. No need to run a bunch of crazy stuff. And I recorded all that, guys. All that is recorded. Look at this. I bet these longs are going to come in here. These longs are going to come in. No, do not take it. Do not take it. I should probably stop talking because I know fuckers just start taking trades and shit. But I wouldn't bet my life on this long here. But I guess that's more important about the 5 minute close. Oh, 5 minute close below. Look at that. So you probably head to the downside. Look at that. That's why you pay attention to these big ones. No, Brandon. Bad habits. Bad habits. I don't like how this 5 minute closed down below. See, the 1 minute and the 5 minute say different things. It gives me different ideologies. Um, but does anyone have any questions? I know. We just hit fucking bangers. Uh, Today's Wednesday, the 12th. For the past 13 days I've had this. It is. Do you see how we waited that whole time? Do you see how it sat here and pumped for fucking it pumped for 32 minutes. It pumped for 32 minutes, guys. And look, we got in on the exact candle it dumped. It pumped for 32 minutes, and then we caught the exact top. I'm not saying I'm God, but at least I'm him. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying? And see, Brandon, that's why I said no more longs, because that 5 minute close below. Look at 5 minute close. You get that retest, and you're retesting this wick right here. You retest that. Look at that. You see that? You close below in this new level, retest, fill these orders, head to the downside. You better be fucking around. Okay. But look at that. Yeah, good. That's all you need to do. If you guys could show up and no, absolutely not. See, see, guys, I used to take a bunch of trades, and I would go through thousands of dollars through all this shit. And yeah, and it is a, sign of greed. And when you're sitting there and you're trying to make a certain number, that's greed. Absolutely not. Hey, get your daily bread, homie. Give what God gets you, and you don't go back. Eat what He puts on your plate, dog. Eat what He puts on your plate. Once you learn how to eat all that shit, but yeah, look at this. It's just moving pretty wild now. It's moving real wild. But oh yeah, put those peas in the chat, guys. Put those peas in the chat. So how was the analyzing, guys? When I'm sitting here and I'm showing you guys everything, and I'm sitting here going through the entire plays, does everything make sense? Is everything making sense? Like I don't have some crazy ass strategy like a lot of people have. I have a very simple, very simple strategy, an extremely simple strategy actually. Hey Jose, add me on Instagram too, dog. Add me up on Instagram. A lot of people have these crazy ass fucking. A lot of people have these crazy ass strategies and stuff. It's not really my flavor. I try to make it simple. Um, Trading made simple. I use levels, 5 minute close. Um, I love that Heikinashi, that 2 minute candle with a singular indicator. Um, it just happens to work with my levels. Um, we're just using more cons and stuff. We're more experienced, Roshi. Hey, see, that's what you're doing. You're comparing yourself, dog. Don't do that. Don't do that. You're comparing yourself. That's like saying why you have bigger muscles, dog. Hey, I've been in the game. I've been in the game longer. I put in my time. I deserve making 5.99 per account when you have 20 accounts and you make 12,000 a day on 20 PAs. That's the kind of stuff you get. If you're making $200-300, Roche, if you're making 100, 150, 200, that's $150 a day you're making before. And we made that in 30 minutes. You got on 30 minutes, 40 minutes ago now, but we literally sat on the charts for 30 minutes and you made hundreds of dollars. Can you complain about that? Eventually you're going to get to the point of you make fucking, like when I have 20 accounts, that's fucking 12 grand in a day. 12,000. I worked for fucking 40 minutes. I woke up less than an hour. Well, actually, I was up at 5, but I usually wake up like 6:10 and work for an hour and make thousands of dollars, and then I go fuck off for the rest of the day. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the trade session today. I absolutely fucking killed it. Just big dicking. Um, I'm gonna post this on the gram here. Oh shit. Let me get this here. When HK chip with BBLs, what does that mean? Oh, Hong Kong. Oh, that's really not my flavors. The Hong Kong life. Look at this. Look at this, guys. We're getting a huge push down. It's not really.